acting like Choice. Yo, comment down below if you watch Choice. I love him. Oh, great. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, a long minute. Let's not talk about it. I went crazy last week, or was it 2 weeks ago? And I freaking bought 8 freaking pairs of sneakers in 1 week. Why? Because I'm crazy, finesse, frugal queen, and I had to, like, you know, make sure I got the best deal, and I wanted to bring it to you guys and show you what the best deal was on these sneakers. They're all the same technically, like there's literally only 2 different styles of sneakers here, so I'm kind of crazy if you couldn't tell. It's a little unboxing. I'm not a sneaker fanatic. I just started getting back into wearing like Nikes and, like, you know, sneakers, like basketball sneakers, because my feet are huge and it's been so hard for me to like embrace that and just go with it and just wear whatever the hell I want. I'm always like, oh no, that looks crazy on my feet. So I've recently started like just being like, fuck it, who cares? Like, life is too short to not have those sneakers, you know? I'm gonna show you all of these. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Nike. So the style of Nike that I got are the Nike Zoom 2K. And I saw these a couple of months ago. I want to say, like, I don't know when, like September. And I was in love. So this is the Nike Zoom 2K. And these are basically a revamp of a sneaker from the 2000 era. And what I really love about these is how it says Zoom across the front. Can you see that? And then 2000 all across the side. I'm just so in love with this style. The other sneaker that I wanted was the Technos, and I haven't been able to get my hands on the colorway that I want, but it's fine. We will meet again one day, you know, it's fine. Yeah, so I love this colorway. This is just the black and white colorway, and I feel like this is so versatile. Like, you could wear this with literally anything. So I got them from Foot Locker, and oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm terrible. So they retail for $85, which to me was perfect. Like, yo, a cute ass pair of Nike sneakers for less than $100. What? Where do they do that? Like, where they do that at? They don't do that. So it was 15% off, and then I got it for $72.25. And then like 2-3 days later, Lady Foot Locker had 20% off, I believe, so they were $68, and I did want to save that extra $4 or $5 because I'm freaking crazy. I'm a US size 10. Told you, big old feet. Big booty, big old tree. I wanted to be able to say that I got these for $68, so that's why I bought the Lady Foot Locker pair, and I'm returning the regular Foot Locker pair. I like doing too much. Ask Cash Doll. Next pair I got from this sneaker retail, online sneaker retail called the Athlete's Foot. I never heard of it until now, and apparently their closest location to where I live in New York. I live in NYC, okay, baby, Queens all day. Queens get the money. The closest location to me is in DC, and it's crazy because I was in DC like literally the weekend before I ordered these. So I had to pay for shipping, which sucks because I freaking hate paying for shipping, but it's fine. I still got them for less than retail because these, like I said, are $85, and when you sign up for the newsletter, you get, I believe, a 20% discount. Yep, so my discount was $12.75 again, which was the 15% off, and then I had to pay $6.95 shipping. so it brought it up to $79.20, which is still less than $85. And first of all, can we focus on the sneaker, please? My camera's heating up. Ugh, after what, 7 minutes? Like, this is why I can't with this camera. Somebody wants to get me a camera for Christmas, like my Venmo, you know, my Cash App, you know, eBay, PayPal, you know, just hit me up if you want to get me a camera for Christmas, because this ain't it. Anyways, these, I think they're so cute. I like how it's white and gray. There is one that is white and red, and this part is red, and I just thought that was too much. This one I love. It's a subtle, like, hint splash of red. You know, you could wear it with some red fits or with anything, literally. I love this pair. That's why I don't know. Like, I literally was gonna only keep 2, but I can't pick. So I'm keeping all 3. I don't give a fuck. I don't. Like, who gonna check me? Who gonna check me? They're $70 sneakers. Like, why? Why return them? It's $70. You know? This is the last pair. This last pair I got from Urban Outfitters. Why do I sound like that? Urban Outfitters. Yeah, so I got these from Urban, right? So I was going to Urban to return something because, you know, Finesse Queen likes to add things onto her order so she can get free shipping and then just return them later. And then I was like, yo, I still want this colorway, because I was looking at them online and I'm like, they're gone online. One of these stores gotta have it. Went to the store, they didn't have it. Called the next store, they had it. So I went over to the next store, told them to put it on hold for me. I'm coming, baby, I'm on the way. I'm coming in 5 minutes. Nah, it was more like 15, but yeah. So they had it, and I love this one. I love this neon orange. You know, it's a pop, a color. In a basic outfit, plain outfit, you can just have that nice neon. These I paid less than retail. They were $80. They were on sale for $80, and then I had $5 off. Just like 5. Yeah, so these were on sale for $80, and I had my $5 rewards, so $75. And I'm gonna tell you how I finessed my $5 rewards in a second. Moving on to the Adidas. This is my first pair of Adidas. I've never had Adidas in my life. These are the Adidas Oswego. I'm freaking in love, okay? So, like I said earlier, I'm so in love with any sneaker that has that dad silhouette, but like a modern one, chunky, you know, just Yeezy vibes, Huaraches. And oh, how I forgot to tell you about my Huaraches. Hold up. This is what started this whole thing. Literally, this is the seed that was planted and, you know, created this whole freaking mess. Let me show y'all. So if anybody knows me, they know that I love my Huaraches. These are my good old Huaraches. I've had them for I don't even know how many years now, but my brother bought them for me one Christmas. I want to say like 5 years ago. Was it 5? Was it 4? I don't know, but it was a long time ago, and that's why they look like this, obviously. And I've been meaning to buy a new pair because these just look trash. I was squeezing my foot in because okay, so here's the thing. I love sneakers where you could just literally slip your foot in and go. And not have to like lace it up, unlace it. So I don't be unlacing these when I put them on. I just put my foot in and, you know. And I freaking broke the rubber on the back because I was rushing and I literally like just pulled it really hard. I was just being extra aggressive that day. Anyways, that's what happened, and I was like, oh my gosh, now I really do need to buy a new pair of sneakers, a new pair of black sneakers. And one thing about me, I love my all black sneakers. I love my triple black colorways, okay? I love them. Like black on black on black, that's all I want. So when I saw these on 𝖎𝖓𝖚𝖚𝖚, shout out to her, she's like a sneaker icon, you know, and her freaking collection is crazy. If you go and watch her tour, her sneaker closet tour, I'm like, it's not even goals, because to be honest, I don't want that many sneakers. I'm the type of person who wears the same sneaker every day, and I have like a good 6 other pair of sneakers that I could wear, but I'll wear 1 pair because they're comfortable and I love them so much. Insert 𝖎𝖓𝖖. So yeah, I saw these on her and they were so cute. I've been wearing these since I got them. I want to say a week and a half ago. I literally been wearing them like every day. They're so comfortable. Like I felt like I was walking on clouds wearing these. These I got in a size 8. Like I said, I'm a US size 10 in women's, 8.5 in men's, but these I feel run big. So I went to Finish Line. They didn't have my size. They had an 8.5. It was too big and I wanted an 8. So they could order it online in the store and then send it to your house for free shipping, you know. I was trying to use this coupon that I saw online. So these are 110, right? And then after tax it was 119.76. I was like, bruh, tax? Why am I paying tax? Why can't I use a discount? She said,
oh, you can only use the coupon online, and if you do it online you have to pay for shipping.
so I was like, you know what, just order it. Left the store, said let me try it myself. Went, put it in my cart, put the coupon brought it down to $100. There was no tax and there was no shipping, so I literally paid a full $100 and that's it. I saved $20 basically. So I'm like, yo, this lady, she tried to play me. So I'm just gonna return the first pair, obviously, and now I'm gonna have to return the second pair too because I found a third pair on freaking ADIDAS for $77. Hello? Hi, ADIDAS, you called? You said you're selling these for $77? Oh, okay. Cause Finish Line isn't. Finish Line is selling it for 110 plus tax, $9, 120. What? That's a whole $50 right there. So I said hell freaking no. Returning both of them pairs to Finish Line, and I'm keeping the ADIDAS. And like I said, I already wore the one that I bought, so I'm taking the ADIDAS one and I'm putting it in the Finish Line box. And there you go, honey boo boo. Y'all can't check me, okay? You're not gonna check me. ADIDAS Oswegos in Cloud White. These I got from Urban Outfitters. So Urban Outfitters had these regular price 110, but I get a 25% employee discount, so they were down to $82.50. And then I had my $5 rewards, which I was talking about earlier. So you remember when I bought my Zoom 2Ks and I used my $5 rewards in store? The lady actually had to punch that in, so she didn't actually scan my reward, she just put in her own like cashier code and used it. So I still have my $5. So I said let me use that on these, and I got them for $77.50. So that's it for this video, guys. As you can see, I talk way too much and I don't really know how to do this YouTube thing, but I'm gonna keep going. I need to sneeze. I know I talk too much, I'm sorry. It's just that I don't really talk much in real life, so you know, when I get on this camera I just like thank you for watching. I appreciate you if you made it this far. Get me to 1,000K. Bye. Ooh, I'm telling y'all, hold on, somebody about to get fired.